Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. Now I have received my first feedback and that is that I talk too fast. Okay, I am aware of that and I'm going to do as much as I can to try to keep the pace of my talk down. Okay, I'm really gonna do my best. If there is something that you don't understand, then please let me know and I'm going to do my best to correct it or to try to explain even further what I tried to say. Okay, so let's proceed. We have some more ground to cover regarding HTML and we're gonna do it right now. So in our previous lesson we have covered the ground basics for the typography of HTML. And there is just one more thing that Microsoft Word or LibreOffice can help us, and that is lists. Okay, so how do we make a list? Well, we would click here on, let's say, lists here. This is for unordered lists and this is for ordered lists, right? So let's say 3 items. Okay, here we go. So we have 3 list items right now and we can make them ordered like this or have them unordered. So can we do the same thing with HTML? Well, of course. So in order for us to do this in HTML, first we need to declare what type of list do we want. Let's say we want unordered list and the tag for that is UL. So now we want to have list items in here, right? LI. Pretty intuitive, right? So let's type in first item and let's make some more. Whoops. If I could spell today, and if I could write today, that would be really good. Okay, so we have, let's say, coded a list with 3 list items. If we save this and reload in our browser, and sure enough, they are right there. But what if we want to make them ordered, right? We said we can do that by clicking on the order list, right? Where is the devil? By clicking here, right? So can we do the same thing in HTML? Well, of course. Let's open up our editor. And instead of unordered list, well, now we want to have ordered list. Okay? Really simple. If we save this and reload in our browser, then sure enough, it's gonna give us list 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, so what else can we do? Well, I say that we can give this little site of ours a little image, right? So let's bring in a little help from Facebook and this fine looking gentleman here. Let's just copy the link and let's get this in here, right? So how do we do that? Well, the tag is img, image. Okay, and you don't need to close, no, not like that. You don't need to close the image, okay? The image is just self-contained tag. You don't need to add up the ending tag in the end. So if in the src, which means the source, you can just paste the image and voila, here I am, rocking like a hurricane. Okay, so what happens if the image is broken? Let's say that you uploaded something, but something happened and I don't know, the image cannot display and it's gonna give you this. Okay, this is a broken image. This is by default, all the browsers have similar picture, right? So what is this alt thing here? I don't know. Let's type in my name. You can type in your name or whatever picture you said. So if the image is broken, then it's gonna go in here and look for the alternative. So what can I give to these people that are looking at my website but they cannot see the image? Well, they can see something, okay? And usually the alt tags, well, you can say anything you want here, but it's usually something related to the picture. So Peter at, where was this picture taken? St. Thomas, yeah, Virgin Islands. So this is how usually it would be. Okay, but if the image can be traced back and if we can load it, then yeah, sure enough, we're not gonna have the alt tag there. We're just gonna have the image of a beautiful gentleman, beautiful guy right here. Okay, so what else can we do? Okay, let's try to make a table. Okay, and the way we do that with HTML is we say we want a table. Okay, so a table, if you ever opened up Microsoft Excel, then you will know that you have tables and tables. In specific table, you have rows and you have columns. Okay, the way we do that in HTML is pretty, similar. We have table row, and then we have table data. And table data is actually going to be each column. We're gonna have table data in each column, in each cell. Okay, so what's my favorite food? Yeah. What's my favorite drink? Okay, that would be water. And let's do one more. I don't know. Let's go with my name. Okay, so if we try to reload this in the browser, then yeah, we get pizza, water, and myself. And let's make another row. Let me just show you that this actually works. So table data, let's give the pricings. Okay, pizza would be $5, right? Or something more or less, depending where you guys are. Price for water is, well, if you go to the pipe, you get tap water, it's $0, right? Well, you pay a little bit, I guess, but yeah. So, and Peter will be priceless, I think. I hope you agree with me. So if we reload this now, yeah, we're adding up things underneath, right? Okay, what else can we do? So of course we can make links, right? And how do we do that? Well, it's described with a tag. A stands for anchor, and I don't know how this translates to link, but okay. So href, where do we want to go? Let's say we want to go to Google, and you type in the href where you want to go, and then you place some text here. So let's say visit Google page. Okay, let's reload the window, and we have a link here, right? And if we click on it, it's gonna take us to Google, which is pretty awesome, right? But it opened up in the same tab that I was in right now. I don't want to do that. I want to go in a separate tab. So you can declare targets, and these are like 4 targets you can declare. Let's go blank. I want to open this link in a separate another tab in the browser, and now it's gonna open there, and my tab is still here, right? And that is cool. So what else can we do? Well, we can embed other windows inside our window. Let's call that like that. Okay, we can make a window to another tab right off our HTML document. So how do we do that? Well, the command for that is iframe. Has nothing to do with iPods or iPhones. It's just called iframe. Okay, and let's give it a source. Well, since we used Google, might as well. And we can give it a frame border just so we can actually see where it is. And there it is. Okay, we have opened another window from inside our window. Okay, but this is too small. Let me just make it a bit bigger. Okay, let's give it something. And height, I don't know, something rectangular, I guess. Okay, and here it is. How cool is that? And just to prove you guys that it works, yeah, you can actually work from here, right? And this is cool. Okay, I'm gonna hit the pause button right now. I think we covered a lot of ground. We have iframes, lists, images, tables, links. So yeah, this has been, I think, enough for now. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to separate sections of the web page, how to make different divisions of the web page, and some other cool stuff that we can do. And to explain you guys what semanticism means in coding with HTML. So, okay, thank you for tuning in. If something is unclear, please leave a comment and subscribe to help my channel grow, and I'll see you in another lesson. Cheers!